So, eto na nga mga Hobby Bees! Today is a beautiful day.
Another Hobby Beautiful Day!
Happy beautiful day, sir!
Ate Rose, Lindy, anong piniprepare nyo?
Happy Premium Collagen Booster Mix!
Wow!
Ano pong gusto niyong flavor, sir?
Meron po tayong watermelon. Hydration, check. Glow, check.
Oh, baka gusto niyo po ng
Alamansi, green tea. Kung gusto niyo ng maasim-asim, meron yan sa akin. Meron din po tayong mango. Less stress, more fresh.
But wait, sir, there's more. Ang pinakabagong flavor.
Melon cucumber. Sarap ng flavor, lakas ng glow.
Oh my gosh!
Sige, Ate Rose, Lindy, bigyan nyo kami ng Hydrolyzed Marine Collagen
And glutathione! Apple stem cells!
Sir, lahat po yan sa 4 na flavors, right?
Oh yes, that's right!
At kahit sweet ang ating Hobby Bee drink, healthy pa rin siya dahil
No sugar added at stevia ang gamit nating sweetener.
Premium grade at lahat imported
FDA approved.
at halal certified.
So sir, paano po nagsimula ang kwentong Habibi Collagen?
Every great idea begins with a simple vision. Kami ni Habi Rai, pareho talaga kaming mahilig sa collagen drink.
Then one day, naisip namin ni Habi David, bakit hindi na lang kami gumawa ng sarili naming collagen drink?
Yung sarili naming formula and with ingredients na kami personally, we believe should be part of an effective collagen drink.
So we came up with
Habibi Premium Collagen Booster Mix.
Naniniwala kaming beauty and wellness should not be a luxury. It should be accessible to everyone, healthy and empowering. Kaya naman, lahat ng mga ingredients, pinag-isipan talaga namin mabuti ni Habi David. Katulong syempre ang aming mga researchers, manufacturer, yung mga staff namin at ang buong Habibi team.
Sa ngayon, we have Habibi hubs all over the Philippines and globally. And they share the same mission with us. And that is to glow for the skin, for the soul, and for a better, healthy living. Lahat ng to, nasa isang sachet ng ating Habibi Premium Collagen Booster Mix. And you know what really makes us happy and fulfilled? It's the fact that we're not just offering you flavors, we are sharing our story.
Dahil ang lahat ng ito, nabuo dahil sa suporta at pagmamahal ng mga Habibis.
We are a growing and glowing community of people who are beautiful inside and out.
Kaya habang patuloy tayong lumalaki, lagit-lagi mula sa tiwala at pagmamahal. At part kayo ng journey na to.
Parte kayo ng kwentong Habibi. Stay healthy, stay happy! Habibi is now available in select Robinson Super 50 stores and all Daiso Japan outlets nationwide.
Mabibili din ito sa Lazada, Shopee at TikTok Shop.